Samsung has recently announced its Galaxy S23 lineup in an event. And as anticipated, the Galaxy S23 Ultra was also revealed with a bunch of new features that will blow your mind. So what has really changed in comparison with the S22 Ultra? So let's have a closer look at these two devices. The brand new S23 Ultra features a dynamic AMOLED 2X display that automatically adjusts the contrast and color according to the surroundings. And this is called Vision Booster. Although it was present in the S22 Ultra, the overall picture quality is much improved. In short, the display of the Galaxy S23 Ultra is much similar to the S22 Ultra with no significant changes. For added protection on the screen, it uses the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 rather than the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus in the old model. The next change to the S23 Ultra is its mind-blowing Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which has faster CPU and GPU performance compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor in the S22 Ultra. In fact, it is the fastest processor in any Galaxy phone released to date. Nightography is also now to the next level, thanks to the Expert RAW Camera app and S Pen, both of which help you to capture and edit photos instantly. Additionally, the AI Object-Aware engine can take details of every part of the images, like skin and hair. But the most significant improvement to the S23 Ultra is the camera. The 200-megapixel main camera can take vivid pictures with details you haven't imagined. Not to mention, the S22 Ultra had a 108-megapixel main camera. On top of that, the selfie camera is now much better with a 40-megapixel sensor. The selfie camera can take stunning 4K videos at a 30 FPS frame rate. But one thing that makes the S23 Ultra stand apart is the use of 20% recycled plastics, 22% recycled glass, and 80% PET film. Another change is the slight variation in weight, where the S22 Ultra wins the race with fewer grams. You can pick the S23 Ultra from 4 available colors: Phantom Black, Green, Lavender, and Cream. Other than that, both devices' battery, IP rating, and charging features are the same. The price of the S23 Ultra is officially $1,199, whereas the S22 Ultra is $919. So after seeing these changes, do you think it's worth spending those extra $280 for the new S23 Ultra? Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Next Cube channel.